Hi guys, hey, here we are again, a little bonus today. I've just came in from work. They're always the best kind of days, aren't they? Just came in from work and there was a couple of parcels waiting for me here. One was a freebie. I think I know what this is. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. This one, see this one first? From the Razor Company. We'll do that one first, and then this one is from the shaving station. Okay, here we go. Weapon of choice, pink, to make the boys wink. Now, do you remember I got an order from the shaving station? I did an unboxing video. I got 4 or 5 soaps, and Samantha got about 3 soaps. And we got the magic tree. Do you remember? Well, that took it took weeks and weeks and weeks to get here, and completely voluntary. Excuse me. I've just had a bite of a bagel and it's full of little seeds and nuts and so. But anyway, I digress. The Razor Company they got in touch with us completely voluntarily. They said, we're not happy about that. We don't want your first experience as a customer at the Razor Company to be soured in that way, taking so long for it to get there. So we would like to send you a gift at our expense. And here it is. So thank you to the Razor Company. Thank you. You're very kind, very generous. I've no idea what's in here, but here we go. Let's take a look and see. Yeah, very kind, very generous, very well packaged. Come on. What on earth? Ah, there you go. I can see an opening. Here we go. Look at this. Not one but two. Don't tell Samantha. They're coming with me. And no, they won't. Samantha will have one of those for the car. And I'll have a fresh one now for my van. Thank you. That's it. Do you know, if they just sent them, that's enough. Happy bunny. Thank you. But here I see something else. In here, there's a note. Here, it's like a kind of like an invoice. Okay, there you go. And here we get to what they've sent. Wrapped in these bags, wonderful. Who doesn't like getting stuff like this, surprises like this for free? And here what they've sent: Southern Witchcraft Special Edition Grapefruit 2. I was going to buy some of this. Look. Oh my word. Oh, that smells fantastic. I don't get grapefruit. Right, now I thought it said grapefruit. Oh, that smells absolutely fantastic. I don't quite know what scent it is that I'm getting. There you go, packing peanuts. I'll keep that box when I send stuff on. Here we go. Oh. Look at this. Wow. Wow, matching splash. I got the full set and the 2 magic trees. Thank you, you guys from the Razor Company. We weren't expecting anything. We were happy with the wonderful service and the wonderful soaps that we got from you. We will be buying from you again. I think we said that after the last video because it was just absolutely wonderful. But yeah, to do that, that's very kind, very generous. And setting the trend, really. Setting the trend for how not just artisans, but any person in business should be treating their customers. I don't mean by giving them freebies, but just the general service and courtesy. The standard set by Razor Company is absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys, very much appreciated. And now we know what's coming up. Saturday's shave, don't we? Okay, here we go. I think I know what this is. I said I would never buy one of these because I tried to buy one and was told I would have to wait X amount of months. And I spat my dummy out and I just thought, I'll stuff you. There's enough decent people out there making decent gear that I don't need to, but an opportunity came my way. You're thinking, what's with all the cryptic, John? An opportunity came my way, so I thought I would make a purchase. And here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's in there. Right, tequila teas. That must have been Samantha must have put that in. So we got tequila teas. Raniero aftershave. I love this stuff, guys. I absolutely love this stuff. Is it based on Paco Rabanne? It looks like it's got a new label. Very nice, very nice. If you're thinking of getting a decent aftershave, that's one of the best. Here we go. Now we get to mine, tucked away at the back. That's another good box, that. Oh! Right, so there's a pack of green Astra blades, and I'm not sure which box they came out of. But then last, but by no means least, here it is. Christopher Bradley Carve. I said I wouldn't. Enjoy the shaves. Stay safe, Chris. Thank you, Chris. And what have we got in here? We've got a little Carve sticker, a little Carve, just general bump. And then there it is. It's got 3 plates. I think it's got B, C and D plates in there. There's cutouts there for another 2 plates. I wouldn't mind getting the other 2 plates actually. I'm glad they're there. Well thought of. I'll look forward to using that. I won't be using it in this Saturday's video because I've got something planned. I'm going to use that, I think, but I've got something planned for this as well. But there you go, that's it. Quick unboxing. Hope you liked it, guys. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and I will see you on Saturday for a grave shave. What's it called? Go on. A grapefruit shave. Thank you. See you then. Bye.